What's up, everybody? This is Shelby Klein with Roland Cole. Today we are going to be working on a 1992 2500, and we're going to be putting some amp steps on, and I'm going to be showing you guys in just a sec. There it is, the one and only. Installing some amp steps right here. We got the wiring hooked up, getting all settled. Got that done, got that hooked up. Inside the interior, it's got some Power Wagon leather seats from a 2019 Power Wagon with electrical seats and cup holders and electrical plug-in for the charger of your phone. And then you got some kicker bass. And then you got some dope wheel cover right there. And then it's got some horns. Mind the bagged headliner. We are going to replace it with maybe, I don't know, what you guys think we should do with this headliner. Comment down below and see what you think we should do. I'm thinking about putting some LEDs in here so it could be brighten up this room. I don't know, what you guys think we should do? Do you guys think we should put some rock lights underneath this? You know, make it pop? Like I said, comment down below and see if we should do that. Fuel pump from Fast Fuel Systems, which you guys should be going. They got some really good fuel products. And got some JTXs, these awesome JTXs, 7x13s with Nitto tires. guys, we're back, and it took a while because we went to Texas and we didn't have the right stuff and it was kind of a waste, but we finally got it finished. And here is the new and improved amp steps. All right guys, we finally got the amp steps mounted and finally got it snugged in there. And one thing's for sure that amp steps did not tell you, you can actually cut it. I mean, literally cut it and modify it to your own truck. Even if it's like an old truck like this, it could go from new to old. I mean, it's kind of new to us. We did not know this, and a bunch of other people did not know this from amp steps. So if you have an old truck and you want to put some amp steps, make sure you buy some and put them on your truck. So anyway, we finally got the amp steps vertically mounted right there, and then got the wires all to the way. We actually have some lights put on, so when you open the steps, they can, you know, shine it right down on it so you can see where it's at, because when it gets dark or anything. But other than that, let's show you what it looks like. So when you open the door, you could just, ain't that pretty neat? You don't have to like climb up or struggling to climb up in this big massive truck. You can have some amp steps from Amp Steps Research. Go check them out. Buy them, please. It's worth it. So once you like press the button, I'm pushing the door to think it's closed, but it does that, and voila, you got yourself some steps. And this truck really needed some steps, and it's just been like a hassle to get on this truck, and we're like, we need some steps, and we finally got one. This is the biggest truck we've had on this channel, and that'll be it for this video. So far, so good. We were thinking about what you guys, let me know what you guys think. Should we on this truck get some rock lights so you can, you know, see the wheels and all the accessories that are on this truck, or just leave it the way it is? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. That'll be it for this video. Please yet to like and subscribe. It is free, guys. It doesn't cost you anything. With your help, I can be able to do stuff like this, build stuff, go places, and make some crazy content for you guys. With no further ado, please yet to hit that like button right now. It is so worth it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.